Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, I want to first off say hello. I am Nisha and welcome to the channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, or even if it's not your first time tuning in and y'all don't know what's been going on, we are on day number 4. Day number 4 of Throwback Week. Pretty much sums it up really quick. Recreating one of my old looks, whether if it was a classic, a smoky, a neutral, a color. Camera quality was off. It's blocked because of copyright music. Some in the air, okay? Or just because I wanted to recreate it, okay? That's what we're doing. You guys love my throwback recreation, so I decided to dedicate this week to do that. Plus, I've been slipping on my uploading and I'm fully aware of that, but I think I got things in order now. So today we're doing this look. What is this called? Hold on, let me look on my phone, because I was trying to debate on what look I wanted to do, but I think I decided and we're gonna do this look. The only thing about this look, I didn't list what I use, so there's nothing listed in the info box, and then the camera quality was not that good, so I really don't know what I was using, which is fine because I have so much of the makeup that I want to use anyway. But I took advantage to use my favorite palette by Hank and Henry, the tie-dye palette, yes. So we're gonna use this palette to create this look. This was called the banana berry look. So I had like a fruit series going on back in the day. This is back in 2011. Oh, this is a long time ago. Back in 2011, I did like this little fruit series where I did like fruit names, color, you know. I had orange soda, I had, what was another one I remember? I think I did a green one. I definitely remember doing a blue one. I think I named it like blueberry something, but it was a cute little theme. But yellow and red together, when you think of that, that's like ketchup and mustard. Those colors like kind of hard to put together, so I am stepping out of my comfort zone and we're gonna do that today. So whew. All right, I'm gonna take this off because this is giving me a headache. I'm gonna pin my hair back, and then we're gonna apply some shadow base, which is going to be my Juvia shade number 2, Eye Prep Eye Prime. So the first thing I'm going to do is remember to keep my stuff here before I push the record button. I feel like I'm not getting anywhere, but I know I'm getting somewhere because I've been dedicating myself on putting something up each day. So anywho, I'm misplacing a lot of stuff, but I need a raw bone highlight before we get into these colors. Uno momento. Y'all, we got like these little nets in here in this house, and the first, you gonna disturb my damn video. You gotta get your butt out. So there's these little nets, and one found my damn room, and he refuses to get out. Matter of fact, I think it's a female, because female be nagging. And this one be nagging me, so I think this is a female. So, if y'all see me doing all this, it's because of the chick. She all up in my grill. She only messes with me when I start doing my makeup. She's been in here for about 3 days and I can't catch her. So, you know what? It might be twins. It might be twins. I don't even know. But I know we got these little nasty fruit flies, and I threw away all the fruits. I threw away the potatoes, and I even got these little apple cider little things to catch the bugs, and it caught like a lot of them. But I guess they told like the crew, and they just came back like hardcore, and now it's like big giant ones. I'm like, where in the hell did y'all come from? If y'all got any remedy, let me know. But I've been using apple cider vinegar, putting it inside cups so that I can trap them. But I feel like it's not working. That was a random rambling. Anywho, we're gonna move on, okay? So with this look, like I said, we're using yellow and red. So I definitely want to make this a cut crease just because I have no excuse. And the reason I really picked this palette to do the look for this look is because they got 2 beautiful yellow shades in here. But this one is definitely my favorite. It's like a neon highlighted yellow. And use both of the actual yellows. And then they got some more like, you know, different shades of red. We got a peachy red Then we got these two reds, so I want to play around with them. Start off with, I know this is really not a red, but I'm going to use her anyway. She's like an orangey red. The whole point is revamping this look, so making it better, okay? So this is going to make it better. So with my Morphe M519, I'm going to take Pumpkin, and then we're going to sweep this right in my crease. And I really love this brush, you guys. It does what it's supposed to do. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my god, I think this bug is crawling on my leg. I'm making sure I blend it very nicely right here by the arch area. I'm definitely going to build this color just a little bit more, just to intensify it just a little bit more. Alright, so now we are going to deepen it up. And I was thinking about going with this, but I feel like they're going to crash on looking too similar. So we're going to go straight forward with that deep red right there. Alright, so I'm going to pat that on like so. And the brush I'm using is more like a blending brush, but I'm using it as a patting brush. And then I'm going to slowly blend it. And then this brush is from Amazon, so I'm hoping this look does not come out looking like Ronald McDonald, because now that I think about it, I'm just thinking of all the other red and yellow looks. It's going to be interesting. So I don't want to take that deep red all the way across. I'm just going to take it like halfway. And it's so crazy how the camera is showing us to be way darker than what it really is in person. So crazy. Because it's definitely more lighter than what this camera is showing it to be. And then we're going to blend it out so it won't have any harsh lines between two colors. Hope you guys can see the difference. I definitely can tell the difference. I'm just going to blend it just a little bit. So this is what we look like so far. I'm going to cut the crease off camera, and then I'll jump back in and show you guys how we're going to do these yellows. The cut crease is done, and y'all, this took forever because I caught myself trying to do something fancy and different, and it still turned out looking the same. But it was just different formula. So I took the Juvia, but I mixed it with the Beauty Creation. This is called the Color Base Primer. Pretty much the same thing. And this is Limelight, so it's a yellow one. So I mixed the two together, and this is what I came up with, as you guys can see. But it didn't turn yellow. I just really want my yellows to be more vibrant because I just wanted to put, anywho, moving on. So we're gonna grab the dark yellow first. We're gonna put it right in the center. Now, only thing about this yellow in this palette is very pretty, but for some reason it is so hard to build her up. But once she's on the lid, she's beautiful. Ooh, I'm looking like a hot dog right now. Alright, so now we're gonna grab the neon yellow color. And I definitely feel like I got the wrong brush to apply this color, but I'm gonna use it anyway. And you can definitely tell the two colors apart, because like I said, this neon yellow is like a highlighter neon yellow. But I am making sure that I blend the two yellows together so it won't look so harsh between the two colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, you gotta die. You gotta die. This looks really nice. I'm really surprised. Like, I'm impressed how it looks. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a little bit of that first shade I went in with, that peachy orange color, this one right here. I want to take a little bit of that and put it towards the outer part of my crease. I mean, I'm putting very little of it towards the outer part. Like so. Y'all see that? Giving like a sunset vibes now. And now I'm gonna close it off with that dark red. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, do y'all see the difference? I like this. I like this a lot. For the bottom part, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did in the video, which was smoke it out. And I don't know why I did that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So that way it won't look like a straight hot dog over here. And then I took a little bit, and I mean like the smallest amount of black, and I did put it in the outer part just to deepen up this red just a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna go in. So now I'm gonna go back into the palette and grab that beautiful black in here. I feel like I'm so far away. Let me zoom in just a little bit. So I'm just gonna take that black eyeshadow, and I'm going to pat this down at the bottom. All right, so I want something here. Something here. I'm gonna grab this yellow from the crown case. It's like a weird yellow. It's like kind of white. So I'm gonna pop that in there first. That didn't go as planned, so scratch that. So something else is a yellow pigment from a brand that doesn't exist, but let me show you guys what the product looks like anyway. It's just a yellow pigment, and it has a little bit of like a shimmer to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the brush, dip it right in that pigment, and pop it right in my inner. That's what I was looking for right there. Guys, I definitely got fallout, so I'm going to clean that up and then come back for cheeks and for the lips. I went in with this highlighter palette. I forgot how strong she is, and I'm trying to blend her out, and she's like not budging. But this is the Huda. So my thing is, I like this. Don't use this. Like, it's supposed to make these more pop, like more vibrant. But the thing is, when you put her on, she is so hard to use. She's so messy and creamy, and it just gets everywhere. And I feel like wherever you place her, if you don't blend her out right away, she dries up how it is. And then you get this, okay? I try to blend it out, but it's like not even budging, like not even a little bit. Okay, anyway, let's move on to blush. Hopefully the blush will kind of like make it go away. I am going to try this blush from the Juvia's palette, skin tone blush. So let's see if that works. And I like to bring it up high. And for my lips, I'm going to go in with a nude lip. So I'm going to go in with ColourPop in the shade BFF number 4. Then I'm trying out a new lipstick. This is by the brand Ebony or ABONI. Ebony. That's how it looks like it's pronounced. And it's a very pretty new color. And I tried one of these lip formulas before, and I loved it. Loved it, loved it. So we're gonna try. What's the shade? Oh my gosh, you don't have the names? There's no names. That's weird. There's not a name on the bottle, not even a number. That's weird. All I know is this lipstick was only $1.25. So. Alright, this is what she looks like so far. I think I'm going to leave her matte. She looks really cute. So I'm going to pop on some lashes, and then we're going to come back and see how the finished result looks like. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. Honey, ketchup and mustard is looking really nice tonight. It's looking really good. And for the lips, y'all, when it dried up, it was just not, the color was pretty. I give it that. The formula, the texture, everything was pretty. It just did not look presentable for this look. So I did add some gloss and I love it a lot more. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit more because I feel like I lost the color just a little bit. There she goes. See? Really pretty color. She just needed some gloss though. She needed some gloss. But yes, side by side, if I can get a good quality part of that video, definitely am here for it. I think in that video I only used like 2 eyeshadows, like, or 2 pigments, but I know it was just like 2 colors. It was a crease and the lid, and that was it. So I knew it was gonna come out way better because, you know, I gave it some definition, I blended, I added more colors, and then the cut crease. I love a cut crease, you guys. I love how it defines my big old eyelid space eyes. Like, I got big old spaces on my eyes, so a cut crease be looking nice, okay? So but anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recreation, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I already know what I have in my mind to do tomorrow. She gonna be different, so I'll definitely come back tomorrow, and I think that's all I have to say. Yeah, just come back tomorrow. You guys are gonna enjoy it. If you guys have been enjoying the rest of the look so far, come back tomorrow. You guys are gonna enjoy it as well. But anywho, you guys have an amazing day. Stay blessed, and of course I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.